Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Measure tool on iPhone. To do this, you need to find MeasureApp. It should be located on the right, like you scroll here, and that's the one we're looking for. Okay, now you lift your phone, like this. And then this little dot with a circle around it should show up. And now you need to point the circle on the thing that you want to measure, like this. It locked onto the pen. At a point, then it will start measuring, and just move to the point that you want, to the end of the point that you want to measure, like this. And that's how you do it, basically. The pen from here to here has 12 centimeters, exactly. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leaving a comment and like below.